Control valves are simple gate-type valves, which open or close off a circuit without altering pressure. The manual valve connected to the gear lever is a control valve, which directs fluid to components when a drive range is selected. Control valves can also react to changes in pressure. This shift valve is held at the end of its bore by spring tension. It blocks the fluid under pressure at port A. The larger differential area at port C is subject to governor pressure. As road speed rises, the rising pressure forces the valve to the left, and fluid flows across from port A to port B. This can be directed to operate the next clutch or servo and change the transmission to a higher ratio. As road speed falls and governor pressure diminishes, the spring moves the valve back to cut off the fluid supply and the transmission downshifts.